walk starts on the north bank of Namfleck River and takes us on a steep westerly descent downstream away from the falls. Oh, so we are finally finished driving, so this is the start of the Henrhyd Falls trail. It's really nice and very green, and it stopped raining, which is great. Greeted by an oak tree, and we can hear the sound of the water already. That's great, hopefully there's plenty of water there. Okay, so here we are, we have Casper. He won't fit in his normal spot because he's sliding out with the new jacket. Just a bit tricky. Yes, anyway, here we go. It's quite slippy, so just going to keep a close eye on what's going on. Very green. Close eye on this. Don't want to fall on camera. Continuing our descent, we are heading west, still walking downstream away from the waterfall. We've now reached the river track. We've turned left back on our south and are now headed upstream. Here we are crossing the river over to the south bank, and we'll continue our walk upstream. Oh, it's flowing a bit. Look at that. I think we picked a good day. But here we go. Oh, we're getting wet already.